After a very hot, sweaty walk from the port, we've made it to our accommodations here in Paros. We're staying at Palos Studios, which is actually cool because they are fellow Canadians. They actually live in Ontario during the winter, and they're here during the summer. We got a little upgrade to a bit of a bigger room, so you will see in the tour I'm about to show you. So when you first come in, there's this room, which we'll get to later, and that room. So we have the bathroom. It's pretty standard. You've got your toilet, shower. Almost all the showers we've had here have this like waterfall head or the option of a handheld, which is nice. Mirror, sink. Then that's the front door. We've got this little wardrobe with hangers, which is always nice. That was loud. And then we've got a queen bed. Maybe it's a double. The nightstands. I really like the decor in this place. I find it really like artsy, unique, kind of beachy. It does have AC. We don't have it on right now. We just have the door open. TV. Then this is the second additional type room, which would be great, you know, if we brought Elisa. Table, again, beautiful artwork. And this part's really cool. So we do have kind of like a kitchenette. So we've got the fridge, stovetop, a kettle, dishes, and they even provided like a sponge and soap. Yeah. And then, yeah, like I said, the little twin size bed. When we open the balcony, there is this like hook, so we could put a clothesline similar to that. But if not, we have this little hook there. It's just me. I'm walking through like what feels like the middle. It's not the middle of Greece, but like the middle of nowhere. I just took a bus to get dropped off, and I'm heading to a studio to do a pottery class, which is something I've wanted to do like literally forever. And it just happens that I found a place to do it here in Greece. Not really Dali's thing, so he's back at the hotel resting. But yeah, I'm super excited.
I don't know. Don't expect it to wearing shoes. So we start with that. Now welcome. Got it. Okay, and like that, not like that. Okay, like this. Okay, it works, yeah? I'm going up to make it more soft. Okay. Now. Extender, okay. And then you make a hole here. Tight. you open it. You need the water in your hand, a lot. And it becomes catastrophe, it's not a problem.
And how?
Low, like a car, like the car. Yes. Good. Don't push too much. He went outside from the... Try to make very gently, caress. Only caress. Now become very soft. I see a lot of wrinkles, and he will fall. Fell. He will fall. I can see that. Yes, but it's okay.
So then what do?
You can't do nothing. That's it. High speed and try. I will show you how to do that.
Okay.
Let them stay. Let them stay.
Okay, so that was fun and awesome. A couple things to note, like if you do want to do it, so you'd need at least 10 days to actually get your pottery card. Yeah, you'd need at least 10 days for your pottery to actually be able to like dry properly, then go in the kiln, then be glazed, then all that jazz. So, just worth noting that, you know, if you plan on taking it home, it won't be done in a short period of time. That being said, she says she keeps them for 5 years. And so if you come back next summer, or like if you're more local to Greece and it's an easier journey, then by all means. I might try and see if I can pay her to like ship it to me once it's done being glazed and everything. We'll see.